Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. In case you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So in today's video, we learn how to make this kind of choker using crystals and charms. I found this charms recently and I really loved how delicate it looks, and that is when I got this thought of making this kind of choker. So you guys already know, whenever I want to try something new, I would love to share it with you guys, and that's why I am here today. So now without any delay, let's get started. So for today's video, we'll need a gear wire. I've already cut a small piece according to the length I want, and then I'm using this kind of peacock charms, some jump rings, crim beads, and crystals. This is 6 crystals, and for the earring I am going to use these eye pins and studs. Along with that, for the necklace you will need a dory like this, and then set of tools. So first I'm going to lock one side so that it will be easy for us to string everything. I'm going to add 2 crim beads, one jump ring, fold this gear wire back into the crim beads, and then we are going to press it tight. Now we'll just start adding a crystal. The pattern is very simple. I'm just going to make it alternate, like one crystal and one charm. So I've added about 50 pieces of charms. I've started with a crystal and ended with a crystal, which means 52 pieces of crystals is required. Now we'll just lock the other side. To do that, again I'm adding 2 crim beads. So after crimping it this side, I have trimmed off the excess gear wire. Now we'll just add this necklace dory, and the necklace is ready. I'm just making a very simple earring along with this. If you don't want the stud, you can just replace it with a earring hook. So we'll need the stud, eye pin. First we'll just open this eye of the eye pin and we'll add a charm and then close it back. And then add one crystal, one gold bead and another crystal. Bend this to 90 degrees, trim off the excess. Bend it and add a stud. So I've made these sets in 3 different colors. One is light blue, golden yellow and green, and for all of them we've also made matching earrings. It looks really nice and elegant and it's very simple to make. If you have everything handy, it just takes less than 15 minutes I guess to assemble everything. It's an amazing gifting idea, or if you are making jewelry and selling it online, then you should definitely try this pattern, and I'm having a feeling this will sell like hotcake. So this is how it has turned out. So I hope you guys like this design. In case you do, please hit that like button and also let me know in the comment section as to what you liked about it. And in case you're wondering about the material, it's all available on our website www.naughtythreads.com. Our app is no longer available, guys. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience. We'll be back soon. So right now all the orders can be placed only on the website, which is naughtythreads.com. And before I leave, I would request you guys to follow us on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. Also subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our other channel, Naughty Vlogs as well, where I'm posting only Kannada videos. And if in case you have any requests, please do WhatsApp me and I'll try to accommodate those. So I think that's about it for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.